Hi there, it's Lo again, aka Jachinoy. For today's video, we're going to have a staycation at the Orchard Rendezvous Hotel. So I'll just show you a quick tour of our room. So we are at room 325. We are at the low floor because I booked a family suite. We are like 3 adults, then with my 3 kids. One of it is a baby. So this is what you see immediately. There goes my baby. So there's like two single beds and 1 king size bed. I believe they just put the 2 single bed there. Then you can hear my baby crying alone. Then there's a living room area, a dining room. Then there's a small TV, but the good part of this one is a smart TV. We have our own Wi-Fi. And outside, we have a balcony. You see, a big balcony. We'll just go out. Let's see if I can just open. Yes, okay. So they provide this one as well for clothes hanging. So you see, it's a big balcony, and this is the whole Tanglin Road. Yes, the last time it's called Orchard Parade Hotel. Then they revamped it, and it's now called Orchard Rendezvous Hotel. So there's Coffee Bean, and this turn right, there's a Hard Rock restaurant. So all the way there's Orchard, where the shopping area are. Then there's Starbucks there. Behind that, there's cold storage grocery, so you can buy all your grocery stuff. So let's go back in. So we just finished our swim, and we're just waiting for my hubby and my other kids. So they have this like a bit of divider. Yeah. So it's a very big area. I believe it's 60 square meters. Yeah. Then this is the walkway. So these are already the closet. Yeah. So we just put our shoes there, closet, because we only have a few clothes to wear. It has the usual slippers, safe, the hair dryer are also inside. Then they got ironing board, iron. So all the stuff that we don't use it daily, like the stroller and other stuff, we just put it there. Then this is the room area. Then the keys for everything. This is the toilet area. So they have a separate bathtub. Although, of course, this is an old hotel, so they don't have that adjustable, the one that you can move for the shower. So they have this usual faucets, but they have 2 sinks. Yes, they have a fresh artistry. Yeah, this is the one that we have for body wash, shampoo, etc. So there's a lot of space because I put all my stuff there, my makeup. Then, of course, toilet bowl, and this is the shower area. They got only this usual, you know, old style shower head, but at least it's okay. They don't even have like a container for the shower, for the shampoo, so I just place it in our floor. Then what else? But I like it for big families like us. It's a big room. So we have all the plugs there, the usual telephone here, all the cabinets. Yes. So yes, that's about it. I hope you like the family suite room tour for Orchard Rendezvous Hotel. And I see you next time in my next staycation. Bye-bye!